Dear conference participants, we are pleased to present a report on Internet search engines as auxiliary tools for translators. In our presentation, we will focus on information material by translators and possibilities for Translate to use some search engines to provide translators information needs. Internet search engines have already attracted the attention of researchers over the past 2 decades, as evidenced by a number of relevant publications describing different types of internet searches, comparing available search engines, studying the effectiveness of information researches, etc. As Dishard pointed out, all researchers agree that Google is the most popular search engine, but there are many other effective search engines. In particular, Chris Baum, Riedberger, Bekovach have published the results of a comparative analysis of the German search engines AltaVista, Fireball, Google, and Lycos. The key research question is how internet search engines can be used to support the information needs of a translator. The research is relevant. Various professions, including translators, use the search for information on the internet. The internet as information environment has many advantages. It is relevant to facilitate the translator's work to study the available tools for searching and processing the information needs. Information retrieval consists of several steps to obtain information: to define the information need, to formulate the information request correctly, to select the search engine to be used for the information search, to focus on specific information sources, to obtain information on the formulated information request, to analyze the obtained information in terms of relevance and usability. The following slides show possibilities for translators to use some search engines. One of the most widely used search engines in the world is Yahoo. It is predominantly used in the United States of America, but more and more users from other countries are beginning to use the service because it is convenient enough to conduct searches. On this slide, you can see search for the term soil on Yahoo search engine. The following slide shows an example of Doisu search results. The German search engine Doisu, a private project funded by donors, it is considered privacy safe and highly efficient. It has its own search index, which covers more than 1 billion pages. Here you can see Wolfram Alpha system search page. The basic approach of Wolfram Alpha is that it is only possible to get an answer to a question for which an exact answer is possible. An example of search for information on the essence of soil in the Ask search engine. The principle of question and answer applies to searching for information in the Ask system. There are many search options for different categories in Worldwide Science. Worldwide Science is a search engine for scientific texts. The results can be sorted by author, country of origin, and text type. In addition to scientific articles, the search engine can also find relevant multimedia content and data files. It is important for the translator as an intermediary between multilingual communicators to be able to use search resources that are common among speakers of these languages. This will allow for adequate translation for speakers of the target language. Thanks for your attention.